Okay, here's the Lynx magnetic sweeper on a subcompact tractor with a loader. So this thing has the standard style skid steer type attachment hookup system. So that thing went on there in about 5 minutes. It's pretty easy. And we're just here at this dealership. They've recently laid down more gravel in this area in the last year or so. So shouldn't be too much debris on top of it. But we're running the rakes through it anyways just to see if any debris gets collected. So where you're going to find debris on a place like this is usually around shop doors or where stuff's going in and out all the time. So these guys have obviously the storage shed behind them and then also the workshop to our left here. So at only about 350 pounds, the Lynx is no problem for even the subcompact. This is a Coyote model SL2420. So if you want to look up what the lifting capacity is on that compared to what you might have, that'll give you an idea of whether you can use this sweeper on your subcompact tractor. So this is fresh gravel here, so it's not making too much of a mark, but we're not trying to mark this guy's driveway up right now. We're just trying to get any debris that might be below the surface up to the surface so we can collect it. We've collected some debris here at the tractor dealership, and we're going to do a clean off with this subcompact tractor. So we found so far is tractors work perfectly fine for doing this. They got a nice tipping function on the front. So just to clean it off, you just empty it out like you would empty any bucket. Just simply tip it forward. The magnet will swing away, which drops all the debris on the bottom. And then you're good to go, keep sweeping again. So there's some debris on the ground there, mostly just screws, washers, that sort of thing. Some nails, some D-rings, tractor pins, remnants, that kind of stuff. So we're going to run the yard a little bit more here and see what we can collect on that. Okay, so this is an area of the dealership lot where it looks like they dump a lot of old concrete and just junk they have laying around here. It's a bit of a rougher terrain situation, so we're trying the Lynx magnetic sweeper out on this subcompact tractor. The Lynx has a nice aluminum pan on the bottom that will protect the magnet in the event of a ground strike, which is bound to happen when you're doing stuff like this. So while it's not the stainless steel that's found on the Meerkat or the Skokie, it's plenty strong for this kind of application with this sort of terrain and this kind of tractor. So areas like this where people are always going in and obviously throwing logs and rocks and whatever else they got laying around, that's a prime spot to get a flat tire. Because you're still driving in here to dump stuff. So by doing some sweeping around here, it's a good way to mitigate any potential flats you might have.